Oh man,
What's the problem, Bobby?
I just don't understand these derivatives.
Don't worry, I'll round up my calculus buddies.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, just working our brain power.
You guys want to help Bobby with this homework?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah! Woo!
Well, Bobby, the first thing to know about derivatives is there's 4 rules that are really important to learn.
First rule is the constant rule.
The constant function rule states that f of x is equal to c, where c is any given number that's not a variable, or does not have a variable. The derivative of that function is 0, regardless of any given number. For example, f of x is equal to 5. The derivative of 5 is 0. So, Bobby, do you understand the constant rule?
Maybe.
Another rule you should know, Bobby, is the power rule.
Power rule is when a function equals x to a variable n, where n is any given number. The derivative of x to the n power is n times x to the n minus 1 power. Example would be x to the 5th would transform to 5x to the 4th within these steps. Comprende, Bobby?
See?
Another rule you need to know is the product rule.
Yeah.
So this is the product rule. U and v each represent a different function. You multiply u times v. First, you multiply the prime of u, which represents the derivative of u, times v, plus u times the prime of v, which represents the derivative of v. According to the product rule, you multiply the prime of u, which is 2x, times v, which is x cubed plus 3, plus the plus u, which is x squared plus 4, times the prime of v, which is 3x to the second. And when you multiply it all out, you get 5x to the 4th plus 12x squared plus 6x.
Alright, Bobby. Last thing we need to talk about is the quotient rule.
Yeah.
The quotient rule states that f prime of x equals u over v prime, which equals u prime times v minus v prime times u, all over v squared. For example, let's use x plus 4 over x plus 2. According to the quotient rule, this would come out as 1, which is u prime, times x plus 2, which is v, minus 1 again, which is v prime, times x plus 4, which is u, all over x plus 2, which is v, squared. Once you multiply everything out and simplify everything, you should get negative 2 over x squared plus 4x plus 4.
So, Bobby, do you understand derivatives now?
Yeah, derivatives are my best friend. Yeah.